Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Skype and signing in. Once done, pick the person or group you want translated. Make sure their chat is active, then open the contact profile to find translator settings. Tap conversation or voice and video depending on call or text use. This step tells Skype to offer live translation. You're doing this now to attach translation permissions to that chat, so the feature appears in call or in chat without later interruptions. Now choose the languages. Set the language you speak and the language you want the other party's words displayed in. Once selected, toggle live captions for calls or enable text translate for chat messages. These options cover voice and text scenarios. Confirm any permission prompts Skype shows, like microphone or captions access, and save your preferences. This ensures translations are applied automatically. If you frequently chat with the same person, Skype remembers the setting for future calls and messages. Begin the call or continue the chat and watch for subtitles or translated messages appearing in real time. You'll see original text and the translation. If translation is inaccurate or missing, first check your microphone and speaker levels, then confirm your network is stable since latency affects transcription. If problems persist, stop the call, reopen the contact's translator settings, and reselect languages. Restarting Skype often clears cache.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.